kaba kariya karina amashemererwa ahishomero rya Brilliant Twinkles Primary School Rukushango muri Ntungamo municipality ahabwo kushataguza ebibuzo by'ekyamushanju. Omubuze byashoza ubwerizuba Brilliant Twinkles Primary School yihaye abeje 36 mu idara ryo kubanza rero abeje 9 bije mu idara rya kabiri bona bahwayo.
I managed to get aggregate 6 by God's mercy and by the effort of my parents and teachers.
I managed to get aggregate 5 because it was by God's power and effort and research from teachers and other confidentials that were available at the school.
I was able to get aggregate 5 because of the help from my teachers. I thank God for helping me to stay alive.
I was able to get aggregate 5 because of God's mercy, the revision that the teachers gave us, and lastly, our battle was won, but was fought by Jesus Christ.
I managed to get aggregate 7 by God's power.
Bakuru bishomereri baasiima mukama habwa beje babo okushira higure ebibuzo by'ekyamushanju.
Tino kushemerwa kwangwitwa ka Brilliant community na njya kusimera hanga nakara ko kushemerwa. Abo kubazitari mbabaza Yesu twakubire turi aha celebratinga kandi kindi nisima abazire abo kutukunda mukaturetera beji kandi bona babasize kukoraje 36 bakora grade 1 and 9 have gone to grade 2.
Mwe bari munonga abegesa ba Brilliant mwe bari gukora umurimo kurungi mukabasa kugunjura abana tukatunga results zo muhendo
hanguzi nimbehereza abatayi banja gushomesa nabo mu departments zabo kandi mwe bari munonga.
Bamwe habazira butwashanga hishomerero barukujaguza n'abana babo bayureka amashemererwa.
Intwaro mu gishogo gwo kusima ishomero ryitu no kusima abashomesa bitu ahabwo kuteka amani mingi umukwereza abana bitu kandi na n'umwana wanje akizero mu idara ryo kubanza ayine aggregate 7.
Owanje ngamwita Hategeka Innocent yakora aggregate 8 kandi ezindi kusimira rahanga.
Nimpuro kusima hango munonga ahabwo mwana wanje umugishamera ko oyireyo aggregate 5 mwensima ruhanga
abeja bihireyo aggregate 5 buri umwe bamukwase kirabo cha sente.
Brilliant ruhanga jihereze midisha
ahabwa TV West ndi area Saratugusa.